A very good morning to all my lovely Patans. So I am back with your computer class. So today we are going to do the question answers of chapter 5 Scratch Introduction. So everyone just take out your computer notebooks and books and keep your stationery ready. So now let's start the question answers. So here are your question answers. So everyone, first you will write in your notebook date, chapter name, Scratch introduction, then question answers. You can leave this question answer part, just write answer the following questions, okay, and leave one line, then write down the first question, what is Scratch, who invented it and when. स्क्रैच क्या है, इसको किसने इन्वेंट किया, किसने बनाया और कब बनाया. ओके, सो स्क्रैच इज़ अ फ्री विजुअल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जिससे आप इंटरेक्टिव स्टोरीज़ क्रिएट कर सकते हो, गेम्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो, एनिमेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हो. यू कैन एनिमेट योर नेम एंड इट इज़ इन्वेंटेड बाय मिशेल रसनेक इन 2003 and this software was available to the public in 2007. Okay, so everyone just keep writing with me. Write down answer, write down Scratch is a free visual programming language to create interactive stories, games and animation. Now in next line we'll write the second answer, second part of question. So write down, it is invented by Michel Rusnak. The first letter of name you have to write in capital, okay, in 2003 and was available to public in 2007. So everyone just keep writing with me, write it down. Those who have written, they can write the next question, the second question, that is write down the advantages of Scratch. Scratch की advantages लिखनी है. Write down the advantages of Scratch. So we'll write the answer. The first advantage, you don't have to remember the commands. सारे कमांड्स आपके स्क्रीन पे आपको अवेलेबल होते हैं, तो आपको कमांड्स को लर्न करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. ओके, सो राइट डाउन all the commands are available on the screen, so we don't have to remember. Now write down the second one. There are strong visual hints about how we can combine the blocks. So इसमें as you all know blocks होते हैं जिनको हमें join करना होता है, combine करना होता है. So hints are given, visual hints विजुअल हिंट्स मीन्स आप देख के पता लगा सकते हो कि आपको ब्लॉक्स को कैसे ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, सो राइट डाउन. देयर आर strong visual hints about how we can combine the blocks. Now third is, if you want to find any command you can easily find. As you all know कि आपके सारे जो blocks हैं वो categorized होते हैं, अलग अलग categories में होते हैं, and they all are color coded. सारे आपके color coded होते हैं, so you can easily find out any of the command which you need. So write down. We can easily find a command when we need it, as they are color coded and categorized. Okay, so write it fast. And if any of you have any problem, any doubt related to this exercise of this chapter, related to these question answers or this chapter, you can ask. Now we'll write the next question, that is question number 3. We'll write third question. Name the categories of blocks present in Scratch window. Name the categories of blocks present in Scratch window. सो जितने भी कैटेगरीज आपकी होती हैं स्क्रैच में ब्लॉक्स की, उन सब के आपको नाम लिखने हैं यहाँ पे. सो विल राइट द categories of blocks present in Scratch window are. So we'll write one by one. First is motion blocks. Second is looks block. Third is sound blocks. Fourth is pen blocks. Fifth is data blocks. Sixth is events blocks. Seventh, control blocks. Eighth, sensing blocks. Ninth, operation blocks. 10th, more blocks. So I have explained already to you all these blocks. If you want any movement, any rotation in your project, you can use motion blocks. If you want to change the appearance or look of your sprite, you can use the looks block. If you want to add any sound, you will use sound blocks. If you want to make the sprite to draw something, you will use the pen blocks. In data blocks, we have two categories, and it is not of much use for you. Then we have events block. Here, if you want to create any particular event, you can use this block. Control block is used when if you want to repeat any instructions forever or for some time, for the number of times, so you can use this block. Sensing block is used to determine the distance between the mouse pointer and the sprite, and if to determine whether two sprites are touching each other or not. Then we have operation block. In this, if you want to use any mathematical symbols, you want to do any calculation, you can use this. More blocks is the customized block. Customize means अगर आप अपनी तरफ से अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग कोई ब्लॉक क्रिएट करना चाहते हो तो वो आप मोर ब्लॉक से क्रिएट कर सकते हो. ओके, सो नाउ लीव वन लाइन, राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the purpose of scripts and costumes tab? So write it down. What is the purpose of scripts and costumes tab? सो स्क्रिप्ट टैब और कॉस्ट्यूम टैब का क्या पर्पस है, वो किस लिए हम उनको यूज़ करते हैं. सो वी हैव टू राइट दैट. सो स्क्रिप्ट टैब से क्या होता है, इट शो अस एनी स्क्रिप्ट दैट करंटली एग्जिस्ट. अगर ऑलरेडी आपकी कोई स्क्रिप्ट ऑलरेडी लिखी हुई है, सो ये आपको वो शो करेगा. और ऑल्सो हमें हेल्प करता है कोई न्यू स्क्रिप्ट को लिखने में, डेवलप करने में. डेवलप मीन्स जो भी हम प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं, न्यू स्क्रिप्ट हम लिखते हैं, सो ये हमें उसमें हेल्प करता है. सो विल राइट हेयर स्क्रिप्ट्स टैब shows us any script that currently exists सो अगर आपकी कोई ऑलरेडी कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट एग्जिस्ट करती है, मीन्स पहले से बनी हुई है, देन इट विल शो एंड इट helps us to develop new script pertaining to the current sprite. So current sprite के लिए जो भी हमें न्यू स्क्रिप्ट लिखनी है, उसके लिए भी ये हमें हेल्प करता है. ओके, in the next line we'll write about the costume tab. Costumes tab allows us to create, edit or copy the image of sprite on the screen. To create, edit or copy the image of the sprite on screen. सो अगर आप कोई भी चेंज करना चाहते हैं स्प्राइट की इमेज में, सो वो आप यहाँ से क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एडिट कर सकते हैं या उसको कॉपी भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज question number 4. Those who are done, they can just write down the next question, that is question number 5. What is sprite? What is its role in Scratch? What is sprite? Sprite क्या होती है और उसका क्या रोल होता है स्क्रैच में? What is its role in Scratch? Okay. So we'll write the answer. Sprite क्या होती है? एक आपका स्मॉल कैरेक्टर होता है जो आपके एक्शन परफॉर्म करता है. अकॉर्डिंगली आप जो भी स्क्रिप्ट, जो भी ब्लॉक्स आप यूज़ करते हो, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वो स्प्राइट जो है वो एक्शंस को परफॉर्म करता है. सो स्प्राइट is a small character that performs actions in the Scratch. What is its role in Scratch? It plays a very important role in Scratch, as every Scratch project is made up of sprites only, objects only. So sprite क्या एक तरह का ऑब्जेक्ट है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट करने के लिए. So write down, it plays a very important role in Scratch, as every Scratch project is made up of objects called sprites. Okay, so everyone just complete the question answers, and question answer you can do slowly. आप आराम से कर सकते हैं, ये नहीं कि आपको आज ही की फिनिश करने हैं, because as tomorrow you are having the class test of chapter 7 and 8, so prepare that first. Okay, question answers you can do later. So now your EV2 syllabus is complete, so keep revising the chapters, bring the doubts, bring your queries, bring your questions, whatever doubt query you have, I am here to help you. Okay, we'll discuss and we'll get the solution. So everyone prepare for the class test well, and if you have any doubt you can ask. Till then, take care. We'll meet tomorrow. So thank you.